Hello everyone. Today we're going to make a reaction to Chucky versus Slimer. Slimer from Ghostbusters, you know. Originally description, I'll start the video. I will be using Chucky as a thumbnail, and this was made by Real Bubble Ghost, and this is part of Jigsaw Games V5 series. And let's begin the video. Okay, let's see who will win. Yes, I know. It was Ghostbusters, technically. The Scary Man's game jump scare again. Let's see who will win. As we know, Chucky got revenge on Cartman, so let's see who will win, Slimer or Chucky. And Chucky won. Goodbye.